Hey guys, so we are getting another little case leak here from another case maker company, and usually, I mean, makers are most of the times they're pretty accurate, probably because they don't want to lose money producing something that's not real. But then you never know. It's always fun to do videos. It's always fun. I mean, these iPhone 6 leaks and everything, it's gonna continue on until we get the real deal, or until we get busy doing something else. At least this on a tech channel like this. So the pictures here of two cases, one for like a 4.7-inch iPhone and one for 5.5-inch iPhone, is coming from a place called Monaco, not Monaco, but Monaco. That sounds like a weird place, but you can see here they kind of have to translate the full source here, Phone Arena. It's some kind of weird website. Yeah, it was in French. Yeah. But you can see them lying here side by side with two phones, which is first one of the best Android phone at the moment, and one of the best iPhones at the moment, or it's the best iPhone if you look at the specs. So the 5S and the Galaxy S5. Personally, I mean, if you don't want to have a bigger iPhone, well, it's gonna happen. Personally, I don't think that the 4.7-inch iPhone is going to be that exciting for me personally. I'm more interested in, I'm not sure how it is for you, but I gotta say that 5.5-inch phone, 5.5-inch iPhone that we've been hearing about, that's gonna be a little bit more interesting. Also, what's kind of interesting here, because I like big phones, also what's kind of interesting here is that this source is saying that we can see the 4.7-inch iPhone in July already, while this bigger iPhone 5.5-inch, which we've also been hearing could have some production problems, that one could arrive in September. And then we heard another rumor about, yeah, the 5.5-inch iPhone is going to come in September, but the 4.7-inch iPhone, that's going to come in August. And then we hear it's not going to come in August. So, I mean, take this with a grain of salt. I mean, this is only for the hardcore guys that want to know everything. And you can still see that this 4.7-inch iPhone is a little bit smaller than the 5.1-inch Galaxy S5. Just as it should, but still bigger than the iPhone 5S. You might want to check out my prototype videos. I got one 3D printed version of the 4.7-inch variant. I might pull it off also if I can with the 5.5-inch iPhone. That would also be a project APEC. See how that one would kind of feel in the hand. I mean, that I gotta say that would be pretty epic to do. So I might pull that off. Too bad here that they didn't put the 5.5-inch iPhone case next to a Galaxy Note 3. That would be pretty epic to see how that would be. But I mean, the problem with Android is that even though I have one of the coolest big fat phones like 5.7-inch Android phone, the Galaxy Note 3, I can't play like the GTA games and everything in smooth performance, so it kind of ruins the experience. I want to play them in absolute smooth performance, and with like a 5.5-inch iPhone, I would be able to pull that off because Apple's just smooth. But now with their 4-inch 5S, it's just too small. So Apple, fix that. Release a bigger iPhone, please.